Okay guys, so next is couple. By the way guys, yung moment kasi and couple is halos same ano lang naman yan, concept. Although hiwalay lang natin to kasi meron siyang same na conditions. Ay meron siyang different na conditions. And then by the way guys, couple is just a moment. Okay? So yun lang naman yun. So under pa rin siya ng same topic. Okay? So ayun for couple. Couple is a pair of equal parallel oppositely directed forces. The vector sum of these forces is 0. The moment sum is not 0. Yun ang tatandaan nyo. For this concept, please take note this. A couple is a pair of equal parallel oppositely directed forces. Ito tandaan nyo ito The vector sum of these forces is 0, but the moment of their sum is not 0. Unang condition, sabi, kailangan daw parallel. Okay? And oppositely directed with same magnitude. For example, this is 100 Newton, this is 100 Newton. Now guys, ang vector sum nila, pag sinabing vector sum, yung summation ng forces vertical sa horizontal. So, in this case, vertical yan. So, 100 na pataas minus 100 na pababa. Tama ba? Kasi pababa isa. To 0. Tama. The summation forces vertical is equal to 0. Summation forces vertical is equal to 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. Pero, yung moment nila, hindi. Bakit? Kasi meron silang perpendicular distance sa pagitan na to. For example, this is 5. Ang couple nila, pangalanan natin sa MC na lang, MC is equal to 100 times the perpendicular distance between them na 5. So, this is 500 Newton meter. So, ganyan guys yung couple. Ngayon, a unique property of a couple is that the moment sum of its forces is constant and independent at any moment center. Tingnan nyo yung condition na to yung. For example daw, nag-take ka ng moment sa A. Okay, pagka nag-moment ka sa A, okay, ang F, di ba, this is F, this is F. Okay. Ibig sabihin, ito yung perpendicular distance mo with the another force. So, ang couple mo sa A is, ang moment couple mo, ayan, lagyan natin, moment couple sa A is force times the perpendicular distance. Yung force F times yung perpendicular distance na D. Ayan lang din yun, equal lang yan, di ba? D lang din yan, okay? So, yun guys, yung ano. Ngayon, independent daw yung center nun. So, technically, yung couple mo, kapag may couple ka, kahit nasa ang lugar, o kahit sa ang moment ka, along that plane, equal lang daw. Kasi paano pagka nag-take ka naman ng moment sa B? Diba? Pagka nag-take ka ng moment sa B, okay, tanggalin natin to. Pag nag-take ka ng moment sa B, hindi ba, pagka kinuha mo yung force natin na to, yung F natin na to, okay, yung force natin na to, eto pala muna, okay. Pag tinake mo yan, di ba this is, halimbawa, positive clockwise yan, okay, couple, So, positive clockwise, for example, positive clockwise yan. Di ba yung force na to, pag moment mo dito yan, iikot yan ng pa-clockwise, tama? So, F is equal to, ang magiging distance niya is A, etong A na to, plus the D. O, di tama lang yon, okay? Ibig sabihin, we have for force F na sa pinakadulo, we have A type, we have force is equal to D plus A, yun ang moment arm niya. Minus, eto namang F na to, okay, iikot naman yan ng counterclockwise kasi kaya yan ima-minus mo doon, 'di ba? Ito yung minus na yan. Tama? Minus F times A lang, 'di ba? Ito lang yan, A lang yan. A lang yung distance natin na to. Itong portion na to, A lang yan. Okay? And then ayun na, pagka sinimplify mo yan, FD plus FA, maka-cancel tong dalawa na yan. So, FD pa rin matitira. Ibig sabihin pala, kahit saan ka mag-take ng moment, kapag kukunin mo yung moment ng couple about that point, equal lang yon kahit saan mo siyang kunin. O for example, sa C naman, ito, tingnan mo equation na to. F na to is D plus A plus B. Tama, yun yung moment arm niya. And then, pagka naman, burahin natin to. Okay? Pagka naman nandito ka sa may, pag naman nandito ka sa may, kukunin mo naman itong force F na to na isa, okay, ang magiging perpendicular distance mo naman is A and B. Itong portion na to, A and B. Ayan ang magiging perpendicular distance naman niya. Pagka sinimplify mo yan, maka-cancel to, cancel, ang matitira pa rin is FD. Ibig sabihin, regardless kung saan point ka kumukuha ng moment, is equal lang. Na equal lang. Ibig sabihin, walang pagbabago kahit, halimbawa, ito yung plane mo. Okay. Ayun yung plane mo. Okay, ayun yung plane mo. Tapos ngayon, ito yung A. Ngayon, may couple ka dito. This is 5 Newton. Ay, couple baliktad pala. Okay, D. Okay. Ngayon, yung moment mo at A, for example, 5 din yan. Ito ay, sabihin natin 2, edi 10 yan. Ibig sabihin, yung couple mo is equal to 10. Yung couple mo at A is equal to 10. Yung couple mo at B, for example, ito yung B, is equal also to 10. Nagkaintindihan? So, technically, same lang yung kanilang magnitude. Okay? So, now, two parallel non-collinear forces that are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction are known as a couple. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, wag na nating anuhin yan. Yun lang naman yun. Basta ang kailangan dyan, the line of action is always opposite with one another. Meron silang perpendicular distance between them. And, ano pa ba yung condition? Kailangan equal yung magnitude ng forces nila para matawag mo na couple. Kasi hindi siya magko-couple. For example, if eto is 50 Newton, this is 100 Newton. Hindi couple yung tawag natin dyan, okay? Hindi sila nagmamatch. O parang kayo lang ng crush mo yun. Ay, sorry. Okay? Hindi kayo matawag na couple kasi hindi naman kayo nagmamatch, di ba? So, yun. And then, now, for moment of a couple about a point. So, the moment of a couple about a point is the sum of moment of the two forces that form the couple when calculating the moment of a couple about a point, either the scalar method or 4 times perpendicular distance, yung ginawa natin kanina. So, yun lang naman yun, inuulit lang. Now, for equivalent couples, the following are 4 operations that may be performed on couple without changing its moment. All couples are shown in the figure are equivalent. The operations are, una, equivalent lang daw to, equal lang daw. Changing the magnitude F of each force and the perpendicular distance D while keeping the product FD constant. Kung titingnan nyo mabuti, sa una, meron tayong 100 Newton na force natin and then meron tayong perpendicular distance. Pagka kinuha mo yung moment niyan, this is equal to 200 Newton meter. Okay? Pagka naman gusto mo pa rin makuha yung equivalent moment mo, this is 200, nilakasan mo yung force mo, umikli yung perpendicular distance, but still, the moment is still the same na 200 meters. So, ganun guys. Okay, next. Rotating the couple in its plane. Ibig sabihin guys, rotating the couple in its plane, okay, okay. So, ibig sabihin guys, yung moment natin na to is equal lang sa moment natin na ganyan. If this is, wait lang. Kung gusto mong kunan ng equivalent ano yan, pwede mong kunan yan. As long as this is still 100 Newton, this is still 100 Newton, at ang perpendicular distance nila is 2 meter horizontally. Still, ang makukuha mo pa rin doon is 200 Newton meter. Pwede mo siyang i-rotate. Okay? Now, moving the couple to a parallel position on its plane. Kung kanina, nandito yung 200, andito yung ano natin, for example, andito yung isa nating, andito yung 100 Newton natin na isa, at yung original na position natin. Okay? Okay? And this is, for example, 2 meters pa rin naman. Okay? Equal pa rin din yan guys. Kahit na ilipat mo dito yung, kahit na ilipat mo, as long as same pa rin sila ng magnitude, same sila ng perpendicular distance with one another, kahit galawin mo sila along the plane, walang magbabago, yun pa rin. Sila pa rin. Okay? All ay. Okay, now, moving the couple to a parallel plane. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ng parallel plane naman, ililipat mo naman siya doon sa may parallel plane mo. For example, ito yung couple na yan, ililipat mo doon sa may kabilang plane. Andito yung isa. And then, nandun yung isa. Okay, kung nakikita nyo man yan, hindi natin nakikita. Basta ililipat mo siya sa kabilang plane, alang magbabago, equivalent pa rin yung kanyang force. Okay? Notations and terminology, again, couple is simply, okay, meron tayong two forces acting oppositely with one another with their perpendicular distance between them, D. Moment of a couple, commonly called as couple. Okay? Vector representation of the couple known as the couple vector. So, 2 arrowheads yun kasi rotation. Okay? 2 arrowheads natin siyang nire-represent. Okay? Now, tapos na. Tapos na tayo for the concept ng couple. Let's proceed to the sample problem.